Homemade dust spray. Your furniture will shine like never before, and dust will stop settling on it. Take a larger container, pour in 1 cup of water, then add about 3 ounces of vinegar. It makes all surfaces shine without streaks. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil, which will prevent dust from settling so easily on furniture. Finally, add 2 pumps of dish soap. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. Use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Then shake it well again. Now you can safely use it on your furniture. Take a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid to it. Wipe the areas where you have the biggest problem with dust. You can also spray it directly onto the furniture. This spray is safe for children and pets and contains no unnecessary chemicals. Your furniture will stay clean longer and smell pleasant. It only takes 1 use to see the difference. Add a few drops to water, and you'll never clean the same way again. Just 1 ingredient is enough. Wipe your furniture and baseboards with it, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This clever trick will help you keep your baseboards spotless. Everyone in my family asks how to clean them, so here's what you should do at home to stop dust from building up. First, wipe down the baseboards and furniture to remove the dust that's already there. Prepare a bowl and pour in some warm water, then add a small amount of 1 simple liquid. You definitely have it at home. That's the key ingredient. Glycerin. It makes sure you won't need to dust so often. Soak a cloth, wring it out, and wipe the areas where dust collects the most. How does it work? Glycerin leaves behind a protective layer, almost like a coating. You won't even notice it's there, but it really makes a difference. Even after several days, no dust will appear. Try it at home, and you'll be amazed. This genius use for a sanitary pad is something few people know about. No matter what kind you use, pads can actually come in handy around the house in surprising ways. Turns out, they're a fantastic and versatile product. When you can't reach tight spots under cabinets or the fridge with a mop, just use a sanitary pad instead. Remove the mop head, grab a regular pad, with or without wings, though a longer one works best. Peel off the adhesive backing and wrap the pad around the end of the stick, just like I show in the video. The pad will stick to the handle, and the outer layer acts like a cloth. But unlike a regular rag, which would slide off, the pad stays in place thanks to the adhesive. Now you can clean even the narrowest spaces from dust and dirt. Just slide the end of the stick in, and when you're done, peel off the pad and toss it in the trash. Put it on a hanger. It will make cleaning easier. My grandma taught me this trick, and my sisters use it too. It really helped me keep my home tidy. Often a mop can't reach certain spots, it's simply too thick, especially under cabinets or behind the fridge. But I've got a trick that will surprise you. All you need is a sock and a clothes hanger. Yes, just a hanger and a sock. With this method, you'll reach all those tricky places with ease. Just slip the sock onto the arm of the hanger like I did. For best results, use 2 socks, 1 for each side. Old or mismatched socks work perfectly. Look how simple it is. Now you can easily clean every spot that used to be a struggle. You can reach and remove all the dust under the fridge. No need to move it. Narrow gaps between cabinets. No problem with your sock-covered hanger. Even the wall behind the radiator, which no one ever cleans, will finally get dusted. Plus, it's super convenient. After cleaning, just take off the sock, shake it out, and toss it in the washing machine if you want to reuse it. If the socks were already destined for the trash, just throw them away. Dust will no longer appear in your home. This is a proven method to keep dust away. All you need is a microfiber cloth. Wipe the surface where dust usually accumulates. It's important that the area is pre-cleaned before applying this trick. Then, take the microfiber cloth again and squeeze a small amount of hair conditioner onto it. You don't need much. Use the cloth with the conditioner to wipe the surface where you want to prevent dust from settling. Thanks to the conditioner, dust will stop accumulating. Wipe your baseboards with this, and dust won't settle on them anymore. This brilliant trick will help you keep your baseboards clean. Everyone in my family asks how to clean baseboards. When dust settles on baseboards and furniture, you often have to wipe them down. Today, I'll show you what to do on surfaces in your home so that dust and dirt don't accumulate as quickly. The first step is to thoroughly clean the baseboards and furniture to remove all the current dust. Then use a small amount of one liquid. You probably have it at home. It's the key player. It will make it so you don't have to dust as often. Prepare a microfiber cloth and apply a small amount of the liquid. Wipe the areas where you have the most problems with dust. How does it work? Let me explain. It's fabric softener. It repels dust thanks to its anti-static properties. You could say it acts like a protective coating. Even if it sounds unbelievable, it's true. You won't notice anything applied to these areas. It really works wonders. Try it at home, and you'll be pleased. Jewelry experts are keeping this secret from us. Put your silver jewelry in boiling water. They definitely don't want us to know this household trick. Over time, silver accessories and jewelry tarnish. This happens because of a natural chemical process. Silver reacts with sulfur in the air. It starts to oxidize and darken in color. Pour water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Then, put your dirty silver in it. The water must cover the silver completely. Take regular toothpaste. Squeeze out a tablespoon of it. Then, dissolve it in the water. Make sure the toothpaste doesn't contain abrasive particles and isn't a whitening type. Toothpaste has cleaning and polishing properties. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda. It will start to fizz. This fizzing action helps to remove dirt from the crevices of the jewelry. It will also eliminate the unpleasant smell of oxidized silver and brighten it. Additionally, add a small spoonful of table salt. Salt has properties that prevent silver from darkening. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and put it in the pan. Then, heat everything for a few minutes. The combination of all these ingredients will make your silver as clean as if it had been professionally cleaned by a jeweler. Even the smallest crevices will shine beautifully again. Your jewelry will look like new. I put a bag over the fan and couldn't believe the results. I had never done it this way before. Prepare a container and squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste into it. Any cheap toothpaste you have at home will do. Then, add 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix until the toothpaste dissolves. The next ingredient is dish soap. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add it to the mixture. Finally, pour in vinegar. Make sure it's white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons. Mix everything thoroughly. Get a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour in the mixture you just made. When you take out your fan in the spring, its blades and casing are covered in dust. Spray it generously with the solution. It's very important to clean it thoroughly before the first use. Dust and mites can cause runny noses, allergies, and respiratory problems. The solution will get into all the nooks and crannies without having to disassemble the casing. Once you've thoroughly sprayed the fan, take a clean trash bag and put it over the fan, tying it securely. Then, turn on the highest setting. The mixture will spread throughout the fan and expel the dust. It only takes 1 minute. After that, just remove the bag and throw it away. If you want, you can wipe the fan with a cloth, but you don't have to, and you're done.